Hello, everybody.
Hi everyone, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
She's sick.
I'm sick. I have cough
CNAT.
and colds and CNAT.
There.
Thank you, Dubai.
We just stayed in today. We had a Filipino lunch. Thea and I went to this Filipino restaurant. We ordered sinigang, beef mami.
Walang lasa.
Yeah, wala siyang malasan, although masarap yung sinigang. And what
There was
else?
chicken and chop suey.
Yeah.
And then Jackie, OMG, surprised us with, para siyang si Santa Claus.
Yeah. May dala siyang
Akala ko una prutas lang yung dala niya. Tapos tinawag ako ni Kibbs. Ang daming plastic.
Shy daw siya.
Nahiya daw si Jackie. She's here right now. We will show you her.
Yeah, she's awesome.
Yeah, she bought us
Wala raw makeup si Jackie. Makeup ka na.
Mag-makeup ka na, Jackie. She bought us ice cream and pancakes and chips.
Tampons.
And tampons.
Parang lahat ng nabanggit namin na gusto namin, binili niya. Tapos sinabi ko, gusto ko rin ng kotse, ng bahay. Baka nabili niya ng galing-galing.
Baka binag niya din.
Mm-mm.
Pagdating kasi daming bags. Tapos, crazy girl.
She's the craziest
She's
girl.
the crazy
She's
girl.
the crazy. For the crazy wild girl, she's the crazy girl.
So there, tonight ba yung dinner?
Yes.
Okay. We're having dinner tonight at Jackie's place.
Turkey.
We're having turkey.
Her sister, right?
Cheryl,
Is
Popo.
the one who's going to make the turkey. It's like Thanksgiving on Christmas Day.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and then after, there's a party at the villa.
At the villa.
The villa, which is where Rach lives.
Yeah.
Rach is
it
another
will-
friend.
Yeah, it will be fun. I can't drink kasi I'm sick.
Yeah.
I'm just going to look at them drinking merrily.
So there, we all, parang ang gloomy ng Christmas video natin. We all hope you have a good Noche Buena. We miss all of you.
Yeah. Huling simba.
Gababes.
Gababes.
Huling simbang gababes na, guys. So, ikli pa niya.
Yeah. Mas maganda ng maikli. Ang
Ah,
bagal
para
kasi mag-upload.
Hihirap na
We
kami.
still have, I think, 2 more videos to upload plus this one na kay Thea yung videos. We'll get those and post it as soon as we get the chance. Get it.
So there, anyway, we just wish all of you
A Merry
Merry
Christmas.
enjoy.
Have fun. And yeah, it's not about the gifts, it's the love.
Bang.
Bang!
Okay, bye, babes.
Bye. We
Mudesh!
love you.
Ay,
Oh,
Mudesh
sige
daw.
na nga, mag-joke kasi ako. Kahit may sakit ako. Ganito, pumunta kami ng city center. Mall,
Which is a mall
a
here.
mall here. Tapos, may nakita akong stand. Sabi ko, uso pa pala yung smiley. Yung mga smiley na stuffed toy. Tapos sabi ni Thea, yan yung mascot nung city center. Yan.
Lumalabas siya tuwing may sale.
Oo. Tapos ang pangalan nung smiley na yun, si Modesh.
Modesh.
Tapos sabi ko,
Ay.
ayun, sabi ko, asan si Whisper? Si Modesh, tsaka si Whisper.
Yun lang.
Ayun.
Pwede na tayo mag-bye.
Tapos inaasar ako ni Maxine.
Bakit?
Kasi kagabi, may sakit na nga ako. Tapos sabi niya, ba't para kang umiiyak?
Kasi, kwento ko talaga kadiri eh. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, ilabas na yung plema niya. Kasi uubo siya, tas lulunukin niya lang ulit. So sabi ko, babe, ilabas mo kasi yung plema mo. Huwag mong lulunukin. Ang sagot niya sa akin, masarap kasi.
Sabi niya, ba't daw ako umiiyak? Magkatabi lang kami lagi. Sabi ko, miss na kita eh.
Sabi ko, gusto mo Skype tayo. Yun lang. So there, anyway guys, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
We love all of you. We miss all of you.
Don't be like me, sick. Enjoy, okay?
Okay, bye babes.
Bye.